Now, please watch the example of a good video CV and pay special attention to everything we have talked about in this lesson.
Hello, my name is Jill Woodworth. I'm applying to Acme International for the recently advertised position of marketing manager. As you can see on my CV, I have 5 years of experience as a marketing manager and 10 years before that as a marketing specialist. In addition, I have an MBA in business administration with a concentration in marketing. I also have a bachelor's in accounting, and I found that to be really helpful in the field of marketing. I really feel very comfortable in advertising and marketing because I can really let my creative spirit shine. Some recent projects I've worked on include new marketing campaigns by some of the world's largest corporations. In fact, if you watched this past year's American football Super Bowl, you most likely saw two halftime commercials I contributed to. We had a lot of fun as a team making those commercials. In fact, I'd say that one of my favorite things about the marketing career is teamwork and collaboration. I've read the job description that you posted, and I feel that I match or exceed your requirements and expectations. I've also studied Acme International's history and feel I would make a great addition to your team. If you're interested in interviewing me for a position of marketing manager, please do not hesitate to contact me. All of my contact information is included in the email with this video. Any day or time will be fine for an interview, as long as I know at least 48 hours in advance so I can make proper arrangements. Thank you, and I hope to hear from you soon.